left is always wrong. I always have a hard time remembering which word is for left and which one is for right, because I learned the word, but I always forget which one corresponds to what. What helps me in Tigrinya is remembering the meaning of the word Yemane, which is a very common name for men, and Yemane means my right. Its origin has a religious background, because in the Bible, everything that is right, and everything that's left is associated with evil. If you think about it, Jesus is at the right hand of the Father. So in Tigrinya, right is Yeman and left is Tsagam. And to remember Tsagam, I always associated with the word for trouble, Tsagem. Tsagam. It might not be etymologically associated, but it sounds similar. So it helps me remember which one is left and which one is right. As you know, religion really trickles down into our cultures and tradition, and that is why everything associated with left is considered evil. Especially back in the days, left-handed people were not so gently pushed into using their right hand for everything. And maybe it's better not to mention what happens to who tries to eat with their left hand in our ma'adi, or our communal plate.
Culture is cool.